Welcome to the Math School by Ifra. In this video, we are going to discuss the volume. Okay, this is basically a prism. What is this? This is a prism. And the volume of the prism is area of the cross section into length. This is a prism with area A, area of the cross section is A, and the length of the section is L. So the volume of the prism is given to be as A times L is the volume of the prism. Okay, let's have a look at another figure. This is basically a cylinder with radius r and the height is h. Let the radius be r and height of the cylinder is h, and the volume of the cylinder is area of the cross section into the length, and the area of the cross section is pi r square, since this is basically a circle. So the area of the circle is pi r square times length is the h. So the volume of the cylinder is given to be as pi r square h. Okay, let's have a look at some of the questions. Calculate the height of a cylinder of volume 500 cubic centimeter and base radius 8 centimeter. Let the height of the cylinder be 8 centimeter. Pi r square h is 500. 3.14 into 8 into 8 into h is 500. H is 500 over 3.14 into 64, and the height is given to be as 3.49 centimeter, which is correct to the three significant figures. So the height of the cylinder is 2.49 centimeters. Okay, number 2, find the height of the cylinder of volume 200 cubic centimeter and radius 4 centimeter. Let the height of the cylinder be 8 centimeter. The height is unknown over here. So let the height of the cylinder be 8 centimeter. And the volume of the cylinder is 200 cubic centimeter. So pi r square h is equal to 200. Pi into r into r. R is 4. So pi into 4 into 4 into h is 200. 16 pi times h is 200. And h is 200 over 16 pi, that turns out to be 3.98 centimeter. So the height of the cylinder is 3.98 centimeters. Okay, let's have a look at another question. Find the radius of a cylinder of volume 45 cubic centimeter and length 4 centimeter. So let the radius of the cylinder be r centimeter. The volume of the cylinder is 45. The volume of the cylinder is also pi r square h. So pi r square h is equal to 45. And pi r square h is basically 4 is 45. R squared is 45 over 4 pi. And r is square root 45 over 4 pi. That turns out to be 1.89 centimeters. So the radius of the cylinder is 1.89 centimeters. Okay, let's have a look at another question. Here we have to find the volume of the prism below. This is 3, this is 5, and this is 2. So the volume of the cylinder is area of the cross section into length. So the area of the cross section is 3 times 5 into the length is 2. So 3 times 5 into 2, that is 15 times 2 is 30 cubic centimeter. So the volume of the prism is 30 cubic centimeters.